Tried to fix it, but oh shit. What's up, everybody? Today's video is just a vlog video, I guess. Just talking upcoming projects. So at the moment, how I did a garage, trying to get this thing started up because I'm planning on placing a water pump in it. Oh yeah. So fine and dandy until I got in it. Of course it didn't start. That's not the first thing I noticed when I got in there. First thing I noticed, I don't know if y'all can see or not, turds, mouse turds. I hate mice. They screw every damn thing up. They chew stuff up. I can't stand them. This car, you know, I really try not to drive that much because it's some really, I wouldn't say really good condition. Well, for the year that it is, it's in really good condition. There is some dents, scratches. I wouldn't say any fading marks on it. The interior is in really good condition. It is dirty. I need to clean it, but I mean, look at this. Would you look at it? Just look at it. I mean, the interior, no cracks in the dash. I mean, it's in really good condition. It only has 159,000 miles on it for 96. When I first got it, I had 125 on it. But I use it as a daily driver, and whenever I was going to school, I had to drive about 30 miles every morning, or 60 miles there and back. So I racked on a lot of miles on it because it was my daily driver at the time. I try not to drive it because I want to keep it in good condition. So with it being parked, these damn mice decided they was going to try to take it over. So I'm going to have to figure out something. Can't let that happen. Let's see if this thing's going to start. Oh yeah, there she is. There she is. Oh yeah, got tires aired up on it. Tires leak. The rims I got on it, they're 19s, aftermarket. I like the way they look, but the chrome, they leak. I've tried to fix it, but oh shit. Keep messing around trying to record, or I'm gonna become the one-hand bandit. And nothing like driving a good old 6-speed or manual, period. Oh, just about electrocute the shit out of myself. Ride the cars. I love the way this thing sounds. About all I can do. The water pump and radiator bad. Can't have it turned on for too long. Look at my boy. Look at old Pablo. Ready, he's sad. He wants to be out here with us. So yeah, gotta change out the water pump to radiator. Radiator's cracked right down in there somewhere. A little bit farther down, really can't see it. And the water pump, which is right there. Right there, so all this is going to have to come off. I changed the optic spark on it probably about four or 5 years ago. Upgraded the coil pack to MSD. Upgraded the spark plugs and spark plug wires. I did all that at once. Pain in the neck to do spark plug changes on these. More evidence of mice. Yep. We got a war. We have a war that just been announced. We got a war that just got started. They started it though. I try to let them live in peace, but they caused it themselves. Whatever happens from here on out, it's on them. So I'm gonna have to change the water pump out and the radiator, of course, but I had an issue before that. Since I've had this car, the fans never worked. But normally, you know, driving down the road, even without the fans on, this thing stays cool. And where I live at, there used to not be a whole lot of traffic. It's starting to get crowded for a small town, but so it never really overheated on me, so I never looked into it because I never had to. But I'm gonna have to figure it out now because it's starting to get hotter nowadays because of global warming. I guess global warming. It's starting to get hotter, and with traffic getting heavier where I live at, I'm gonna have to make sure the fans are working. I don't know if it's a sensor. I checked all the fuses and relays, all that stuff's good. I also heard that sometimes if you don't have gas in your AC, it won't kick on for some reason. I don't know if that's true or not. Makes sense because when the AC kicks on, it does send a signal to your ECU to turn the fans on. So it is, I guess it's possible. Yep. We're working on this tomorrow. Hopefully in the next few days have it running. But that's all I got for now. Enough of me rambling on. See you next time.